Hi everyone. So this is my third attempt to make this video. I had some issues with the camera, but I hope it works this time. What I was intending to do is a short update on my channel and on my cars, and you'll see it's nothing major. But the first thing is, in my channel description, I think it's called About, there I put my email address. It's an email address I specifically made for this channel, so if someone wants to get in touch with me, he or she can, and that's why I made it. And I do get some emails from time to time, although they're all positive, which is a good thing. But I got a lot of them that are asking me if I'm selling my cars, and the answer is depends on what car you're talking about. My Lincoln Town car, no, I will not sell that one. My GT350, no, I'm gonna keep the Shelby as well. And my Explorer, yeah, I'm gonna sell that sometime, but I think I'll just trade it in for a different SUV or family vehicle. I'm not sure what the future holds and what we'll find. Now the Mercedes here, I do want to keep it. It's a great car. I love driving it, but if I get an offer that is reasonable, that I can live with, or that gives me a little bit of profit for all the work I've done on the car, yeah, I may consider selling it, but no promises on that. So if you're interested in this vehicle, in the Mercedes, please do send me a message. Let me know what you think about it, and if you have an offer for it, and we can talk about it. That's what I'm trying to say. As for the other vehicles, I'm sorry, no, I'm not gonna sell it. And if you send me a message that just says how much, or sale, or sell, or something like that, no, I'm not gonna answer them. Just please explain yourself, tell me what you want and why. That being said, the weather is good. I'm gonna take the GT350 out soon, and I'm gonna drive it, make a video of it. I also have some plans for some modifications on my town car as well as the GT350, and I'm not gonna tell you just yet, but you'll see when it happens. Okay, that's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, give me thumbs up, it does help me, and I will see you soon.